I got a fork in my mouth. Wow, I don't have table manners. Try right next to you. Anyways, I'm eating this. I just gotta cut it up. Fork right here. Stab. Why am I making anime sounds? Ew, it looks so gooey. Hot. Oh my god, my mouth is on fire. We're moving. Still. My bed's made. Yay. Now I'm working. And I'm wearing leopard pants. After 4 years, these things still fit. But it's like 9, 10 maybe by now when I'm. Oh yeah, it's not on the ground. Yay. Ah! Hot. No, I do not eat my mouth with my mouth full. My mouth closed. I remember she used to be popular. Do you remember how popular she was? She sucked ass. Oh, I barely even threw it. Not that close in the dry cleaning. And why is this cheese all puffy? Crap. Just a little baby pizza. I don't know if I should eat it like a pizza. This is my burrito. I forgot that burrito song went. This is the best burrito I ever eaten. It's not really, it's a Hot Pocket. This is the best burrito I ever eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, I'm gonna go. I want to eat this. Bye. Blitch.